The Parapet post is a fast and easy-to-install post that fastens to concrete parapets and supports leading-edge protection fencing and guardrails. To install the Parapet post, adjust the elbow and post to accommodate the parapet geometry. Install quick-release pins to lock the base elbow and post together. Position and plumb the Parapet post and mark the location for 2 anchors. Only 2 anchors are required, one in the top, one in the bottom. Review the installation manual for required anchor types and applications.